Turkish jets engaged in electronic jamming operations against Israel over Syria. The Turkish fighter jets reportedly issued electronic warning signals and engaged in jamming operations late on Friday in an effort to deter Israeli aircraft operating in Syrian airspace. The rare move came as Israeli warplanes launched attacks on multiple sites, including in the Hama and Damascus regions. Drawing renewed scrutiny over the ongoing violations of Syrian sovereignty. Turkish fighter jets issued the signals and tried to jam Israeli aircraft during Tel Aviv's bombing campaign in Syria, Arab News. The Netanyahu government has already been strongly warning Turkey against getting more deeply involved in Syria, but clearly Jolani and his HTS rulers have found their biggest backer in Erdogan. The other thing there is we are now seeing the very first testing between these two nations. A nation, Turkey, that is part of the Gog-Magog alliance that will come against Israel. This is them feeling each other out before that war even happens. And we're seeing it take place in front of our eyes. Shalom.